This November, get ready for the most revealing expose on ICT, the Inner Circle Trader. In this week's preview, we unravel more of his lies that have fooled the trading industry. Meet Michael Huddleston, a man whose story begins in the frugal surroundings of row housing while hustling as a pizza delivery driver. In 2017, Twitter account GuruLeaks revealed Michael's primary residence. It was in 2013 that Michael became a first-time homeowner, acquiring this property for $134,900 with a mortgage of $132,456. In 2015, ICT wrote a ridiculous email filled with grandiose claims of financial success that seem entirely disconnected from the reality of living in a $135,000 mortgaged home. Michael's narcissistic delusions are severely egotistical, especially when considering the significant difference from his own residence. It wasn't until years into his business venture of paid mentorship that ICT began to show his possessions on camera.
And there's my house. Look at that. Ooh.
Only because his hand was forced by Vinny, Emini, leaving many to ponder the timing and origins of the money.
Here's the Supra 2021 GR. This is the 2021 Corvette. That's my wife's car. Here is my grocery getter. It's the 2019 that Forex did not buy.
Michael proudly parades his fleet of leased mid-range cars, only after his paid mentorship, raising questions about the lack of a single successful trading track record from his alleged 25-year trading career. As our journey of revelation unfolds, Michael's web of lies has only just begun to unravel. What other truths lie hidden beneath the surface, waiting to be exposed? Join us for the full documentary revealing all the secrets of the con artist known as ICT, debuting November 11, 2023. Stay connected by subscribing for an exclusive sneak preview each week until November 11th. Don't miss next week's expose.